How to return 0 with divide by zero. I'm trying to perform an element-wise divide in Python, but if a 0 is encountered, I need the quotient to just be 0. For example, I could always just use a for loop through my data, but to really utilize numpy's optimizations, I need the divide function to return 0 upon divide by zero errors instead of ignoring the error. Unless I'm missing something, it doesn't seem numpy.stare can return values upon errors. Does anyone have any other suggestions on how I could get the best out of numpy while setting my own divide by zero error handling?
In NumPy v1.7+, you can take advantage of the where option for your funcs. You can do things in one line and you don't have to deal with the state context manager. In this case, it does the divide calculation anywhere where b does not equal 0. When b does equal 0, then it remains unchanged from whatever value you originally gave it in the out argument.
Building on a Frank Dernancourt's answer, fixing -1, 0 and my bug on scalars.
Building on the other answers, and improving on 0 handling by adding invalid equals ignore to numpy.erstate, introducing numpy.nan_to_num, to convert np.nan to 0. Code. Output.
Deprecated Python 2 solution. One-liner, throws warning.
If you want to see more, press the concept subscribing.